Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to close trunk Tesla Model 3, full guide. Press the center of the trunk lid down with steady pressure until you hear the latch click. Use the inner soft close handle to guide the lid gently and avoid slamming. If the trunk resists, check for obstructions and try again slowly. Finish by pulling up gently to confirm the trunk is fully sealed and secure before driving. Using the key fob makes closing the trunk effortless and safe. Press the trunk button briefly and step back so you avoid the lid path. Observe the trunk as it moves and listen for the motor sound and definitive latch click. If it stops, cancel and inspect for obstructions or misalignment. Once closed, give a gentle upward tug to verify it's fully latched before walking away or driving off. Quick recommendation and small favor: if this trunk guide helps, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making useful videos. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with great sound while you tinker on the car. Check the description for a product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. You can close the trunk from the car using the touchscreen for convenience. Tap the trunk control and glance at the rear camera to ensure the area is clear of people or objects. If the lid hesitates, stop and inspect for anything caught in the seal or latch. Check for any on-screen alerts that may indicate a fault. When everything looks clear, allow the trunk to finish its cycle and verify it is fully latched.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.